Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back today with a Monday Dollar Tree haul and little Miss Munchie. And Miss Munchie wants to say, if you hear Mama's washer in the background, don't complain because she's happy to have it fixed. And I want to thank Amanda for helping get my washer fixed. It is not due to anything that Lowe's did or my extended warranty. So I'm still not happy with Lowe's, but Amanda did step up and my washer is working again, so we're very happy. But we are still washing clothes, so it's going to be in the background. If it bothers you, I'm sorry. But me and Munchie got to have some clean clothes, don't we, sweet girl? Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, so I have a very small little haul for you today, and some of it is Dollar Tree and some is Family Dollar, and then I have one item I think came from Walmart, I'm not sure, and one item from Goodwill. I got this beautiful tin tray with little wooden handles, and it says Simply Blessed in it, and I got it for $2.97. I thought it was really cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to repaint it, or I'm definitely going to do something to these handles because they're in kind of bad shape. You can see where not a lot of care was taken with the painting, so we'll see what we can do with that. And I got these. My sister got me these two little birds. These I think came from Walmart. I think either Walmart or Dollar General, I'm not sure, and they were marked $2.48, so I'm not sure if she got them on clearance or I'm not sure, or maybe she got them from, I don't know. But they were really cute birds. So I'm going to put these in my bedroom somewhere. I'm not sure where yet. But let's see. I got some Family Dollar stuff mixed in here. So when I pull something out and I remember that it's Family Dollar, I'll try to let y'all know. I recorded this whole haul and realized that my camera was not on record. So I'm doing it again. But I got the April Spa Bath and Shower hand and nail gloves. I like to use these maybe once a week or once a month. All the hand sanitizer and stuff make your hands really dry, so that's a good thing. It's like little gloves you put on and just let them set and moisturize. And then I got the Bolero 30 count cucumber and aloe facial wipes. These are really good to take off your foundation and your mascara with. So I got those, and then I use those, and then I just wash with my regular soap. And I picked up this cute little juice box, sippy cup, whatever you want to call it, for my little nephew. He's not really my nephew, he's my cousin's child. So anyway, this is for Oz. I'm going to put his name on the side of it and send it to him. He lives in another town, but he loves a sippy cup. I'm going to send that to him. And these two items came from Family Dollar. I think this white one is my sister's, and it says Market Flowers, Seeds, Blooms, and Bulbs. So that's really cute. It's nice and thick. It'll sit up on its own. And then I got the little teal color one that says Fresh Flower Market, Seeds, Stems, and Blooms. So I thought that was really cute for the spring and on into the summer. And my sister got me this from Dollar Tree to put in my purse to try to organize me. I'm forever, I can't find my phone, I can't find my keys. It's just thrown in my bottomless pit of a bag, and she thinks this is going to organize me. She doesn't know I'll probably be lost this the first day, but we're going to try. We're going to try. I got one floral. It's just called Foliage. It's kind of plasticky, but sometimes you just need some greenery to stick in an arrangement to kind of flesh it out a little bit. So I picked that up. And I got the Crafter Square one sheet of the zigzag jewel border. That's so pretty. So I used some of those at Christmas, just put them on some bulbs, and it was just gorgeous. I picked up the two little Crafter Square wooden items, the little pup and the sun. So I'm going to see what I can do with those. And I picked up the, this is my favorite cleaner, Fabuloso with baking soda, orange scent. I just love this. It smells so good. And then I got the, from the artificial flowers section there. This is the Floral Garden Scented Floral Spray Morning Rose. So this smells really good. It smells like roses, so I thought I'd give my little artificial flowers a little spritz so they would smell kind of like what they're representing. And now this was one of the most favorite things I found this week. These cute little boxes, but they come in 3 different sizes. You have the small, medium, and the large. I just thought those were so cute, so I picked up one in each size. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but we'll find something to do with them. And I told you this was going to be quick because there really wasn't that much out there this week. I do have, this is some items. These are all from Family Dollar. And they're all along the same lines. They are these cute little chubby birds, little fat birds. We have a green one, a blue one, whoops, and they are a little heavy. They got some weight to them. A little blue one, and then we got 2 red ones. One's a slightly darker red than the other one, but one's for me and one's for my sister. So anyway, I said it was going to be quick, and I didn't lie. That's all I got this week. So y'all stay tuned. I will have a DIY coming up on Wednesday. So remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. And I'll see you Wednesday. Bye-bye.